Spacious and stylish living in Prime Gwinnett Location. Step into this beautifully designed home featuring an open concept floor plan that seamlessly connects the gourmet kitchen and cozy family room. The kitchen is a true centerpiece, boasting modern cabinetry, an oversized island with granite countertops, and abundant natural light perfect for entertaining or everyday living. A long, elegant foyer with custom trim work sets a warm tone as you enter, leading to a full bedroom with private bath and closet on the main level, ideal for guest or multi-generational living. A separate formal dining room adds a touch of sophistication. Throughout the home, rich hardwood floors flow across both levels, adding warmth and elegance. Upstairs, you will find 4 generously sized secondary bedrooms and an impressive owner's suite featuring a spa-like bathroom with double vanity, granite countertops, separate soaking tub and shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. Enjoy the outdoors on the oversized deck overlooking a private, level backyard, perfect for quiet mornings or weekend gatherings. Located minutes from the new exchange at Gwinnett.